I'm finally doing a van tour. This is my kitchen and my bedroom. A nice shelf with things in it. My sink has an electric pump. In this cabinet we have food and sweaters. I have a 12-volt fridge with ice. These drawers have stuff. This one has a toaster in it and some bathing suits. My cook stove. The pump is back there. This is my freshwater tank, gray water tanks in the back, and some cleaning stuff. My dishes. Everything in my van is stuck down with 3M tape. This is my plant name Stan. My dashboard. Here's my table. It's my favorite part of the van and comes apart like that. And I have blackout curtains for when I sleep. Under my bed, I have an emergency roadside kit and my inflatable paddleboard. These are my window covers. My power inverter. I have a 12-volt charger near my bed. Under my bed, my inverter is hooked up to two 80 amp hour batteries. My passenger seat is never this organized, but it has my laundry, a skateboard, apparently a tripod, and a bunch of jackets, my shower bag, and any other miscellaneous items. That's more like it.